lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Good morning, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and this morning I'm going to fix something different. I think I've got it on my channel one other time that I made this, but I'm going to make hamburger gravy. And I know some of y'all are going to say, what? Are you crazy? No, you can make hamburger gravy just like you do sausage gravy. And I think it's so much better than sausage gravy. I really do. I mean, I don't season it. I don't want it seasoned except for salt and pepper. No, nothing else, because you don't season sausage, so I'm not going to season the hamburger either. Salt and pepper is all that will be in there. And so I've got, I think it was, let me see how much this was. Net weight 1.17 pounds. So I guess just a little bit over 1 pound here, and it's 73%. So it's going to be a lot of grease in here, but which that's a good thing, because we need grease to make the gravy with. So let me get up here and brown this. And I don't know what else I'm going to fix with it. I just like gravy and toast, but I could make some eggs, and I don't know. I've just got to think about it. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. All right, so I'm back. All right, so there is a lot of grease in here, but that's good. I'm going to put flour in here to, you know, you need flour to thicken up your gravy. So I'm going to put, I'm just measuring. I mean, I'm not measuring. I'm just putting some in there. That's probably a fourth of a cup. And so you always want your flour to cook for a few minutes or whatever. Maybe 2 minutes to get that floury taste out of there. See, I smell the flour right now, and I don't want my gravy to smell like flour. Taste like flour. So you cook it for a few minutes and get that smell out of there. All right, and now your whole milk is what I'm using. You can use 1%. You can use even 1%, 2%. You can even use water to make gravy with. Well, now I can't get this off. Shoot. There you go. All right, so just keep on stirring it and let that floury taste work its way out of the gravy, and I will bring you back in just in a minute, and we are going to finish this gravy. And then I got to toast the bread, and I was going to make some eggs, but I got gravy in the pan. So all right, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go on and pour some in here. And then whisk it around or whatever until it starts getting thick. Or if you're strong enough, which I'm not, to pour the milk and stir it up at the same time, that's even better, but I can't do that. So I have to pour and then stir. Alright, so I need to put this on sear and get that heat up there. I forgot about that. You need to, I had it on 275, which was medium. I had it on medium heat while I was cooking the hamburger. But once you start fixing your gravy, you need to have it up to sear, and I didn't do that. So, that's bad. It's really not. I mean, it's going to cook or whatever, no matter what. Alright, so I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here. And I'm just pouring it in. You know how much you want in your gravy, so you do that to, you know, for your what you want. I want a lot of pepper in here because I love pepper in my gravy. I need to take this top off, and well, maybe I can do the other one back here. Got my flu shot the other day. My arm is right sore. Alright, so here's a little bit of flour. Of pepper. Oh yeah, I think that's enough. See, I should have had this heated, on sear before I put the milk and all in there. I didn't even think about it. Let me taste it and see if it's...
So you have it in there.
Huh?
You have it in there. Do you want to put the other stuff?
Alright, so it's definitely salty enough. I'm going to put some more milk in there. It's getting thicker. You know, you can put your gravy in your refrigerator and heat it up like tomorrow or tonight or whatever. If you wanted some more gravy, you can put it in your microwave and heat it slowly, and the gravy's going to be just as good as it is today. Oh, it's not very thick now. Alright, so let me get this together and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so the gravy is ready. And I've got toast in the air fryer to heat that up so we can have toast and gravy. I'm so excited. I haven't had hamburger gravy in a while, and I just love it so much. I like hamburger gravy just as much as, if not more, than sausage gravy. Alright, so I will bring you back when our plates are made so that you can see what it looks like to eat gravy and toast. Alright, bring you back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so here is the gravy, the hamburger gravy and toast. Oh my gosh, y'all. Here we go. I'm gonna taste it. I'm looking forward to this. Oh my gosh. Let me lift you up some. Come on now. Righty-tighty. Okay, so I just tightened it. All right, so I toasted the bread in the air fryer, and now I'm going to eat it. I'm using my fine china and my fine silverware. I forgot, what is the china and silver, I guess, yep. All right, so we're doing this, and oh, y'all, if you haven't made this, do you like it?
Mm-hmm. I think it tastes.
She's never had this before, so, but I would like for y'all to make this, and if you do, come back and let me know. Because I absolutely love this. My daddy loved it. And maybe that's why I love it so much. My mom used to fix it for my dad. And he loved it. And she'd get up on Sunday mornings before we went to church and fix a big breakfast. And she would fix my dad hamburger gravy. And sometimes at night for dinner, she would fix it too. She'd have hamburger gravy and eggs. And sometimes she'd fix pancakes. And sometimes she'd fix biscuits. And it's so easy to make. All right, y'all. I'm going to get up here and eat the rest of this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Instagram. And also, there's different things at different links at the bottom of the page of things that I use in my kitchen that you may want to use in yours. So click on that and look at the things, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.